Good morning, class 5. Take out your EVS book and notebook. As we know that we had completed reading of this chapter, Conservation of Plants and Animals. We have read so many things about our extinct species, endangered species, then deforestation. Then we learned the 3 R's, how we can conserve our environment through 3 R's, that are reduce, reuse and recycle. Then we also studied some points that you can use in your daily life to conserve the environment. And as you have all promised me that you are going to plant a tree every time on your birthday from now. So now we will do focus words of this chapter. Take out your pen, notebook, a sketch pen and a blue pen and a black pen. Alright? Take it out. Write down today's date on the top. 18 February. Write down the name of the chapter. Conservation of Plants and Animals. This was very interesting chapter. I hope everyone loved it. Then write down focus words. Draw a line in between a straight line with the help of a scale. We are going to do 15 focus words. That will take around a page. Take your blue pen. Write down the first word, children. And the first word is extinct. E-X-T-I-N-C-T. Extinct. What is the meaning of extinct? Extinct are those animals that have disappeared from the earth, like dinosaurs, like the bird dodo. Then write down second word, endangered. Write down endangered. What are endangered? That are in danger of getting extinct, like our tiger, snow leopard, blue whale. These are endangered species. We still have time to conserve them, to protect them. Then write down deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. Write down fourth word, conservation. Conservation means to protect. What is the meaning of conservation? To protect. Write down next word, resources. Resources. Next is, we will write 3 R's, recycle, reuse and reduce. Say again, recycle, reuse and reduce. Written. Write down number 9, newspapers and magazines. We will write here newspapers and then magazines. Write it down, children, neatly in your fair notebook. You have to do it. Write down next word, transport. Transport. Write down transport. Note it down. Then write down destroying. 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 Write it down, destroying. The next word is forest. Write down forest. Albatross. Albatross is a endangered animal. Albatross. And the last word is Caspian tiger, which is now an extinct species. Caspian tiger. So these are your focus words, children. I am repeating it. Extinct, endangered, deforestation, conservation, resources, recycle, reuse, reduce, newspaper, magazines, transport, destroying, forest, albatross, and Caspian tiger. Note it down. Done. That's all for today. You have to complete these focus words in your fair notebook. Then you have to learn it. I hope you all have completed your back exercise of the chapter by yourself in the homework. Tomorrow in the school, we are going to do the question answers and short question answers and then some activities. Okay? Till then, bye-bye and take care.